ever thought about this? Why 20% people in this planet are actually living the great lifestyle and achieving the great results, or in a simple word you can say these 20% people are actually generating the 80% revenue, 80% results in their life, while in the other hand 80% people are not even achieving 20% achievements, things in their life. These 80% people are not even reach their highest potential level. Why does this happen? What are the difference between this 20% people and these 80% people? Why these 20% people have everything in their life? So there is nothing called these people have superpower and all those things. These people have a mindset. So in this video I'm going to talk about those mindset. I come to know there is a one mindset called alchemist mindset. If you generate or if you build this mindset in you, I'm sure you will become a 20% people. You will come on those crowd where 20% people are living, where 20% people are actually generating the 80% revenue. So let me share my screen with you to understand what this alchemist mind is, what are the meaning of alchemist, and we are understanding all those things. So I prepare one simple presentation for you so that you can understand what this alchemist mindset. Let me share my screen with you first. I hope you will see my screen right now. So here is an alchemist mindset. So guys, first thing first, you need to understand what is alchemist. See, alchemist is nothing, a person who can touch anything and become a gold. If a person touch anything, that become gold. That's called alchemist mindset. If you build this kind of mindset, if you work in any place of your life, if you start your own venture, maybe you start your own startup or own business, or maybe you are passionate about your job, your work. If you work with this mindset, I'm definitely sure that you will become that 20% club of people, those people who are actually living the great life, success, happiness, freedom, lifestyle, everything. If you have this kind of mindset, you will reach at your highest potential of your level. So let's get started. Let's understand what is the alchemist mindset. So I prepare a simple presentation where in alchemist A is for, let me show you. A is for action. The first letter of alchemist A is stand for action. Now what is action, man? In a Hindi culture, in Gita, there is called that कर्म ही सबसे बड़ा धर्म है. Your action, your work is everything, man. So action is everything. If you not take action, just think about, one day I will do this, one day I will do that, or you are waiting for Sunday, Monday, or one day, then you are not going to achieve the great results, or then you will not achieve a great results in your life. So you have to understand alchemist mindset. A is for action. So if you build this kind of mindset, always ready to take action, that's the reason you can see me. Maybe I'm not good in English, I'm not good in grammar, and I'm not good, even I have not that fancy resources, but still I'm making videos, taking action. This is called action. Let me tell you, if I wait for perfection, I will not even make this type of video. But I'm taking imperfect action. Because of that, I'm making this type of video as well. So let's move further. And there, alchemist L stand for learning and leadership skill. My dear friend, learning is one of the best thing. We think like learning is something we just once we start learning something, we feel like now I know everything, now it's enough. If you are a person who always said like I know everything, I'm done, my dear friend, this is not an alchemist mindset. This is the average mindset. Alchemist mindset said, why Bill Gates read so many books in their entire life, in the entire month, entire year? Why Warren Buffett read books? Why these great people having the great results in their life, still they are learning, knowing, searching about more things to making their business, making that work more better? Why these people are learning? Because they have alchemist mindset. So if you want to build alchemist mindset, first you have to take action. Second, you have to take learning and leadership skill. Now what is leadership skill? Don't be the boss in your entire life. A boss someone who just order to do this and do that. But a leader is someone who make other people leaders. This is my definition. A leader is someone who make others people leader. If you are a true leader, then you definitely make other people leaders. So be a leader in your life. Don't be the boss. Be a leader, because people love to work with leader, not with boss. A leader is someone who make other people leader. Now let's come to the next point. In Alchemist, C stand for confidence. Now what is confidence, my dear friend? A confident is something. It's not about you know everything, then you will feel confident. No, even you don't know anything, but you have to be confident. Confidence comes from courage. Even I fail, even I will not achieve anything, but still I will not lose my hope. Still I will learn, I will come back, I will fight again. This kind of mindset if you build, then confidence automatically generate. So you have to be a confident in your work, in your, maybe you're a student, my dear friends. It's not only for the entrepreneurs, it's also for it's everyone. If you want to become a 20% people on your work, if you're a student, if you want to become a top at your class, at your university, at your at your city, you have to be this alchemist mindset. You have to build this alchemist mindset in your work. So be confident. Even you lose something, be confident, learn, find out why you lose, and then start learning, knowing, searching about all your failures, and come back again and fight again, and be confident all the time. Because, and this will not come in one day. It will take time. It's a habit. You have to develop your mind slowly, gradually. It's a habit. If you want to take action, you have to take first small actions. Like in my case, I'm making videos. This is action. In my case, I'm speaking English. This is an action. I'm implementing. This is an action. Also, at the same time, I'm learning. As a leader, I'm telling you, I'm sharing my skills, knowledge, whatever knowledge value I have, I'm sharing. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm sharing everything, whatever I know. Now, confident is, you can see me. I'm not perfect in anything, but still I'm making videos, sharing my values, because I'm confident, because I know. You may be judged right now, but after a few months, few years, I will become better. I will become the excellent. So let's move further. This is what we learned till now, is the action, learning, a leadership skill, and a confident. So let's start with, let's understand what is S stand for in Alchemist. That is humility. Humility. What is that, man? Humility is something, man. If there is a people who achieve some success, a little money, they feel I'm great, and they make other people feel loser. Don't make other people feel, I have few friends. Some of those friends, when they meet other friends, they always try to show how much they earn, how they are good, and how they are good at the working, how their lifestyle is good, and all those things they are trying to say other people. But in Alchemist mindset, what Alchemist mindset said, you don't show yourself how good you are, show other people how good they are. Always tell other people how good you are, how good you are working, how good you can do. If you speak like this, your Alchemist mindset will develop. And once you develop this energy, this mindset in your mind, your success become like rocket. You will achieve great results in your life. Let's move to the next point, that is E. E stand for enthusiasm. Now what is enthusiasm, man? It's so very important. Maybe if you are working at your place and whatever you are doing in your life, if you do not have that kind of enthusiasm to do that work, then how you will achieve greatness in your life, man? You have to be enthusiastic in your work, enthusiastic for learning. See, understand that kind of kids are so very enthusiasm to learn new things. I remember there was a time when I take one toy for my neighbor's kid, and I give that toy, and he's a very kind of enthusiastic, like, brother, what is this, how it's work, and all this kind of enthusiasm you have to be developed in your mind, because this Alchemist attribute said If you are not become enthusiastic in your work, you will fail, you will not reach at your highest potential of level. You have to be enthusiastic. Whatever you are learning, you have to be enthusiasm. Yes, I'm learning how it's work. You have to learn everything, boss. So very important. Let's move to the next point, that is majestic dreamer. Well, Alchemist M stand for majestic dreamer. Now what is this majestic dreamer? Man, you have to dream big in your life. This 20% people, in those who are living in this planet, they are majestic dreamers. They dream big. Because of that, they achieve having this kind of result. If you are an average kind of people, you always dream like to having this kind of package and to working 9 to 5 and to just relaxing in a life. But this kind of people have their vision, have their dream to do something big, something meaningful in their life, and because of that they are actually achieving the great results in their life. So you have to be a majestic dreamer. I know it's not a believable thing that I can do this thing, but you have to develop. Once you developing this mindset, you will automatically dream big. But the question is, what I'm trying to say is, majestic dreamer means you have to dream big as much as you dream. I remember, I don't remember that exact quote, but I remember if you dream to reach on a star, if you fall down, you will reach at moon. So you have to think like you have to dream big in order to become a successful person, a great successful person who come on 20% people in this planet. Let's move on the next point, that is, in Alchemist, I stand for innovation. Now what is innovation, man? Innovation is nothing but, whatever work you are doing, if you are not creative, if you are not innovating something in that work, see, it's all about creativeness. Whatever problem right now you have, if that problem is so big, you have to think like, how I can solve this problem. Is it something which help not only me but to the entire society? The big problem you solve, the big revenue you generate for yourself. So always be in innovation mindset. Always try to figure out. See, maybe you are in the maybe you are in the job profession, maybe you are working for the corporate. If you are this kind of mindset, and if you are thinking about innovation, you will always try to do something different. Your work, you will try to do your work with different style. You will try to figure out like how I will get more customers, how I will serve more people, serve more clients, and you will understand this attribute gonna change your life. So Alchemist mindset, I stand for innovation. Let's understand what is the S stand for, and that is strategic thinker. Now I hope you can see my screen. Strategic thinker. Now what is the strategic thinker, my dear friend? See, strategic thinker means once you have a big dream, but it's not happen with dream. You have to be a strategic thinking. You have to be a strategic planning. So S stand for strategic thinker. You have to have your once you dream big, you have to have your plan. What is your plan? How you will achieve that dream? In how many years you will going to achieve that skill? You have to your strategic planning. Like, my goal is this. I'm achieving this goal in this date, in these so many months, in those so many years. And you have to think like this. You have to plan everything. That is called strategic thinker. Let's move to the last point, and this is one of the most interesting point for me. That is tinkering. Now you might be heard this name first time, tinkering. See, tinkering meaning is a crucial mindset. You have to be a crucial about your work, about your anything. Even you are learning anything, you have to be a curious. As child are curious to learn more things, to experience more things. You have to be curious, and you have to experience lot more things in your life. If you are not experiencing lot more things in your life, you are not going to achieve great results, my dear friends. So this is what I simply presenting simplest presentation for you, Alchemist mindset. I'm telling you, this mindset, actually because of this mindset, these 20% people are actually living a great life and achieving the highest potential available. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I don't know how a video I make, but I hope you will learn from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you like and do comment what was the best point for you. And I will meet you on the next video. Till date, stay inspired, stay happy, and God bless you.